with your PC specifically. In simple terms, the PERS app tries to send your report to Perlibis servers. The request fails, timeout, server rejection, the endpoint not responding. The app crashes or closes. This kind of HTTP client failure usually happens when servers are overloaded, very common at launch, the reporting endpoint is bugged or temporarily offline, the client PERS.exe has its own bugs handling failed requests. Important clue from official info. The devs themselves basically confirm PERS can fail because they say, open quote, if you are unable to submit through PERS, send files manually instead. That's a big hint that they already expect PERS to break sometimes, close quote. So is it happening to others? There's no huge official statement yet, but based on other launch issues, downloads failing, server-side problems, etc., the nature of your exact error, server communication failure, this is very likely a widespread issue, not just you. What you should do instead, workaround. Until PERS is fixed, do this. Option 1, manual report recommended. 1, go to the official bug report form linked by devs. 2, attach files manually. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3, describe. Input drop issue, light attack, jump. When it happens, repro steps if possible. Option 2, try basic fixes, just in case. Sometimes helps, but not guaranteed. Run PERS.exe as admin, disable firewall's VPN temporarily, try again after a few hours, server load. Don't worry about the broken zip happens when report packaging fails mid-process. Your game install unrelated to reporting failure. Bottom line, your issue is very likely server-side/tool side. PERS is not fully reliable right now. Best move, submit manually instead of waiting.